I literally look so sleep deprived. Good morning, guys. This is so impromptu. It's currently 3:50 a.m. I slept around 11:30, so I'm functioning on very little sleep. But I woke up to revise because I have a final today, and I don't think I remember anything. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I don't know why I decided to vlog. Actually, I do know. Basically, today starts the last week of college. Unfortunately, that happens to be finals week. But I have an exam today. Then I have one 4 days later, which is fair. I have a lot of time for that. And then after that exam, I have a 1 day gap, and then my last exam. So I don't know, I just felt like I should vlog this week. Because why not? I had an exam day before also. No, it wasn't the best. But it's over. That's what matters. I don't know how this one is gonna go. Honestly, if the paper does not come according to what I've studied, I'll be really screwed. So, I will go back to studying and revising. I'm tired. My brain has stopped yet again. I'm going back to sleep. It's 4:20. I'll wake up at like 5:30. I'm taking a nap, and then I'll revise for an hour and get ready to leave because my exam starts at 9. And I just want to be there beforehand so that I can sit in college and do some last minute revision. God, please make this paper go well. I have no idea what I'm gonna write, but it's just till 12. Paper is done. I'm standing outside my class. Oh well, my friends haven't finished yet, but people have started coming out, so they will come soon.
It was very good. Who are going to paper class studying this subject again? I don't love the paper. What are you saying? I can't feel my hands. The paper was good, but the process was not.
I have 2 more to go.
I have 4 more papers to go.
I need to wash my hair.
I need to wash myself.
We are back home in the AC. I kid you not, traveling in an auto in this heat is nothing less than an extreme sport. But let's talk about the paper. Honestly, this was the paper I set in my head because I had taken huge risks and done exactly one topic from every unit. So अगर वो इधर से उधर हो जाता ना, काफी बुरा हाल होता. But yeah, the paper is over. Do you see my hand? Anyways, now I want to have a bath because I feel disgusting. And then I want to lie down and do absolutely nothing. Like today I'm gonna waste today. But that's the plan. It is 3:30 and I have an exam. I'm so sleepy. But I don't know how much I remember. So we're gonna study. It's currently like 6:20, I think. And we're all ready to go. Actually, before time only. I have no idea how much I revised. I woke up at 3, obviously, you guys saw me, and I revised 2 units then because I couldn't do any more. I don't know why I was feeling a little sick, like nauseous, like I wanted to throw up, but clearly I didn't. And I think it's just too hot because in the AC I feel fine, but when I step out I feel like I'm about to throw up, which isn't really helpful considering my college has no AC and barely working fans. So yeah, that. But anyways, I will obviously have to revise in the metro because I have no idea what I've studied at this point. I think I've taken this subject way too lightly. It's not okay. But yeah, hopefully the exam goes well. Like, I feel like if I manage the other harder subjects, this shouldn't be that tough. And honestly, I'm also very unbothered because it's not like I want to top. क्या मिलता है टॉप करके? कुछ भी नहीं. अब तो वैसे भी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Like, अब टॉप करके मेरे को क्या ही मिल जाएगा? Because it's not like my CGPA will suddenly rise up into the 9s. It's not gonna happen. So yeah, that's what the whole thing is.
Holds the power and water is the resource. ठीक है? Now, पेपर कैसा गया? It was good. Side आ जाओ भाई, मर जाओ.
ये कैब्स कब से अंदर आने लगी?
Bro, for teachers they allow us.
We're back. I look so much better now. Like, I don't look homeless. I look dead after my exam. But here's how the exam went. It was fine. I think I underestimated the subject a little. I don't know. I just didn't feel like studying, so I did not study a lot for this, which is my fault. Can't really change that now. But yeah. At least I managed to fill pages, which is what I think matters. And I did remember the keywords. The issue was I had no idea what those keywords meant. So, like, for empowerment, my definition was empowerment is defined as empowering the population of a community. You realize how dumb that sounds, but it is a definition. So, that. Anyways, yeah, this exam is over. I have one day after now, which is my last exam, thank you God. And with that, college would be officially completely over. Anyways, I'm gonna take some time off. I have to make myself lunch, which is what we're gonna do next. And I'm gonna watch some TV, maybe edit a little because I haven't posted the last vlog also. So we will do that. I'm thinking I'm gonna like sort out all the syllabus today, so that way tomorrow when I sit down to study, I know where everything is. Because right now I have no idea where anything is. I don't even know what the subject is. I'm just gonna positive optimism hope my way through it. But yeah, let's just get done with this. Welcome back. Last day of college. It is currently like 5:30 in the morning. I did wake up at 3 to study, but I forgot to film, so yeah, that. But somehow I'm just very, very excited for today. I don't know, I haven't even really prepped a lot, but at the same time it's the last exam, so I'm like, anyways, I'm gonna go and lie down and waste time for another 30 minutes, and then we're gonna get ready for college, and then we're gonna go. I'm so happy today. Anyways, yeah, that's the whole plan. Hopefully the exam goes well. It will go well, bro. Why won't it go well? I have put in the effort.
It's all another flower lane. The sun goes around.
Are you not scared of your tears?
Shraddha, last day of college we did it.
I have one more exam to go.
I am done.
मेरे पास एक और है. Guys, college over. College खत्म.
मैं तो बहुत खुश हुआ आज.
Guys, she will cry later. You know, Navya is one of those rare breeds जिसे कोई पसंद नहीं करेगा because of this reaction. Everybody is smiling. Navya is like, I'm happy.
I am happy. I'm so done. Guys, that scene तो बहुत हुआ मेरे पेपर में, but मैं अभी बताऊंगी थोड़ी देर में. But I'm so happy. You won't see us in Chandra ever again. No, actually I might have to come again. बताती हूँ भाई, clearance पर्ची मिल गई. Yes. I hate this place. Bye. I'll tell you what happened today. Wait. So, I lost my admit card.
I know.
Okay, that. And उसके अंदर ना मेरी clearance slip भी थी admit card के साथ. So both were gone. Anyways, moving on. I thought I'd play smart. तो मैं 5th semester का admit card ले आई. अल्लाह कौन ही देखता है? Genuinely. ठीक है?
तेरे को UPC याद था?
तो वो तो बगल वाले बंदे का देख लूँगा. So anyways, that happened. And usually they don't check the admit card today. They have to bloody check. And then they were like, आपका admit card क्या है? And I was like, listen bro, I have it on my phone. तुम digitally देख लो. Physically मेरे से गलती से 5th sem का print निकल गया है. So I don't know, and I lost it in the last exam. They're like, no. And I was like, okay, keep yapping. I kept writing. Like, good. Yeah, because I can't waste my time. So I was like, आप figure out कर लो, मेरे को बता देना जो भी करना है. And the teachers were like, ठीक है, whatever they figured it out. And then like, आपको examination में जाना है केशव सर के पास. मैं कहा ठीक है, करिए होगी. मैं चली गई. And he's like,
Each exam हो रही है.
हाँ. ठीक है, luckily I was running fast. Like, I don't know why, because I knew everything. So I was like, I'm so smart. So I went. 15 मिनट लगे ये सब करने में कोई एग्जाम के बीच में. और कोई एक्स्ट्रा टाइम नहीं था इसका.
Obviously.
So I was like, प्लीज मेरे को एग्जाम फॉर्म में जिले आप पहले आए थे, आपने पहले क्यों नहीं करवाया? मैंने कहा मेरे को नहीं पता सर, प्लीज आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट द प्रोसेस, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. ये लगा अच्छा ठीक है जाओ. मैंने जल्दी से वो स्टैम्प वाम्प कराया, फिर जाकर मैंने पेपर दिया है. इस दौरान वो टीचर मेरी क्लास से पूछ रही है, ये आप ही क्लास में है? Is she regular? Is she a part of the class? And then I was like, yeah, bro, she's in our class. And they thought I was faking someone. I was faking being me.
Oh my god.
And it was concerning. But yeah, that's what happened during today's exam. But I'm so happy I'm done. And now we're going to the mall, guys. So the fit is so back. I'm like basketball shorts and a crop top, like what? We're home making ramen, and this is the first time I'm trying Korean ramen like at home. I've never made it myself, but I'm pretty good at making Maggi, so how hard can this get?
Never taking me alive, so complex. And I know why you said it, cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be.
Hopefully it tastes better than it looks, cause I feel like I've done too much.
That we're not who we used to be.
I really underestimated the spiciness.
12 seconds later.
Bro, it looks like I got Botox, and why am I crying? This could not be good for me. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but I spent 180 rupees on this. I'm gonna eat it. I've added cheese. This tastes significantly better. It's not burning my soul, but it's still spicy. And to think that actually used to willingly have this in my first year, I questioned what I was on. My lips. Anyways, moving on. Now that we're done with that, let's talk about this exam. It went well, guys. It went so well. I'm so happy with how it went. The only issue was that it was very long. And second issue was, which I've already told you, I did not have my admit card, so I lost out on like 15 minutes. But all in all, this exam went so well. I don't know how. In fact, ये पहला exam था जिसमें मेरे को सारे short notes के भी answers आते थे. So I was like, stop. The only question I was a little dicey was on hope, but then उसमें मैंने जितना भी आता था, I wrote everything, so I think we should be good. But that there were people who were very emotional about graduating. Not me. Wait, let me try and explain this in a way that I do not sound heartless. Here's the thing. These 3 years of college were fun because of the people. I really made very, very good friends. And they're going to be my friends forever. Like, I don't see myself like disappearing out of their lives. And if we do drift apart or we don't keep in touch every day, I am confident that my bond with these people is strong enough that I don't need to talk to them every day. So that grieving or that loss is not being felt for me. If they were crying for the place in general तो मैं बहुत ही hate करती थी. तो I don't know, bro. I'm not really feeling very sad. But Gauri gave me this. It's a little note, which is so sweet of her, and I'm gonna read it right now. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Zara and H&M, because of course we treat ourselves after we graduate. Thank you, Gauri. I don't know if you're seeing this video, but like, this is so sweet. And bro, I would have found your basketball guy, but where are they? That's the real question. I'm gonna keep this in my memory box, and this is gonna stay with me forever now. I got the ball. I'll start with what I got from H&M. This I bought like a few days back because I don't know, I just felt like I needed clothes for vacation. I got this really cool semi-sheer sort of blue shirt. I feel like this is so summery. It can be styled in so many different ways. Like I can wear it with jeans, I can wear it as an overshirt, I can wear it with shorts, and it'll look absolutely amazing. I feel like it's a very versatile purchase. The next thing, again from H&M, are these shorts. These are also linen blend shorts. I'm sorry they're so crushed, but I feel like again this is old money. I don't know, I just absolutely love them. The color can be worn with absolutely anything, and they also fit really well because I tried these on before buying them. So I feel like this is also a very good addition to have in your closet, especially in the summers. Now let's open the Zara. Let's go. I got this from Zara. This is also so summery, like wear it on vacation type. Then I got this bodysuit like in bottle green. It's a very basic t-shirt bodysuit, and I feel like again I really have been loving bodysuits this season. They just fit me so well. Then I got this spaghetti. I really like this color, the fluorescent green. I feel like it's very in this season. I've seen it a lot of places. And I bought the same thing in white. I have a lot of like sheer mesh tops, so under that these can be worn very easily. So this is all that I've bought. Other than that, college is over, guys. So I guess this video is also over. I don't even know how many of you are watching this, but yeah, I love you guys. Bye. Now I'm gonna watch Netflix and do absolutely nothing. I am so excited.